This is Juan with Metro Area Builders. And today I'm going to show you how I spray my garage doors. First we sanded it, covered any big cracks. This is kind of a messed up door, but we don't got the money to buy it right now. So we're just going to show you how the process. We primed it. Now we're going to spray it.
O sea, esa cosa a poco no para que hubiera quedado, quería como un map embarrado.
Estoy grabando, Luis. Estoy grabando. Espérate. So there you go, guys. People from YouTube, we always scrape, we sand, and we prime every single one of our projects. We don't mess around. 95% of our jobs we scrape, unless it's a stucco house, a brick house, or whatever. But other than that, we sand, we primer, we caulk, we primer. No exceptions. If you guys have any questions, give us a call. For free estimates at 612-275-5530. You guys have a good day. Don't forget to like and share our videos or subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.